Hello everyone, draw a cloudy circle and have a capital letter U in the bottom and capital W on top of it and connect them with parallel lines and draw a little curvy line in the middle of the cloud and draw parallel lines at the bottom of the W and extend line and have zigzag lines connecting the shape. Do the same on the right side. Draw a little X shape and two more X shape chained to each other on left and right as well. Then after that, draw a little curve on top and one more on the right side and one on top of that and have a little parallel line from the bottom, then have a curvy line from the left and right and close it with a water drop like shape. It's a leaf and draw the pistil in the middle and color it. Draw a circle and 4 lines in all the direction and 4 more lines in the middle of them like a sun. Yes, it's a sunflower. And draw an inverted C in the middle of the line and have it connected to each other. Then after that, draw lines in the middle of the circle and few more lines perpendicular to each other and draw dots in the middle and draw parallel lines at the bottom and a curvy line and water drops like shape. It's a leaf. So color the sunflower. Draw capital letter V in a curvy manner and on the right side make it a little thicker. Then on the left side, have an inverted capital letter U and close the shape by drawing curvy lines at the bottom 3 times. Then after that, color the leaf on the right side with the green and the shape on the left side in blue color. It's a lavender. Draw a big stapler pin and one more stapler pin in the middle of it in an inverted manner and have another one on the left side connecting from the tips. Then after that, draw a rounded pointy triangle in the middle of them 2 times. Then have a curvy closed shape in the bottom and have a little circle at the center and connect all the 4 directions with curvy lines and connect them with parallel lines between the lotus. And draw the bud of the lotus at the right side and color it. Have a big capital letter X in a curvy manner and draw heart ends from the middle of the intersection around the lines. Do it for all the lines and extend a little line from the intersection at the bottom and make it thicker. It's a clover. Color it with green, Draw a capital letter U in a curvy manner and close it with capital letter W, and on top of it from the intersection make parallel lines and one more curvy line from the intersection of the parallel line. In between, have it close with a curvy shape, and from the left have another curvy shape and close it in the middle. Do the same vice versa for the right side and have a parallel line from the bottom and have 2 water drops in the middle of the top section and the bottom of it have 2 pointy leaves and color it. Draw a circle and around it, draw the inverted capital letter C chained to each other side by side. Then after that, have parallel lines in the middle and a set of perpendicular lines to that. Then also have another long parallel line from the bottom and extend a curvy line and have a water drop shape. It's a leaf. Draw another shape on the left and draw a little line in the middle of the capital C and color it. Draw capital letter Y in a flattened smaller manner and a larger version of it at the bottom. Then connect it with a capital letter U in a curvy manner and connect the shape on the top and have a little triangle in the middle. Then have parallel lines at the bottom and have a curvy line on the right side and make a water drop design. Do the same on the left and color it. Have 2 sets of parallel lines with colored green and have a little capital letter Y and a larger version of Y at the bottom of it and close it with a capital letter U and close the shapes on top with curvy lines and the triangles respectively. Then after that, draw little leaves at the bottom of the U. Then go to the right side and have a coiled line and have it connected with the parallel line we created and close it with a capital letter U and draw the little leaves and color our rows. Draw a line and make a curvy line on top of that and make 2 more curvy lines at the bottom of it respectively. Then have capital letter U's at the tips, then close it with a little curvy lines and making it into a shape. Then after that, draw pointy leaves at the bottom and have a line in the middle of it and color a beautiful flower. Paint a thick stroke of green and have 4 green lines on top of it and have an X shape with a yellow color and color it. Do the same on the third one as well. With the remaining lines we have a darker version of yellow and have a capital letter Y in the top part of them respectively with white. And after that, draw the pointy leaves at the bottom and make a lovely dandelion. Thank you everyone for watching this video.